So again, trying to look at this quickly and checking out the symmetry of this piece. Here's the center line. I'm doing horizontal and trying to find the angle of this best so I can see what I'm doing. Yep. So once you find the center, you can start to build it up, get approximate the distance, part that has the threads. Kind of find that here's the center line, here's the symmetry of it. And then there's a lot of secondary threads to hold that into place. And bringing that across. You have to use a socket wrench to get this thing off, the special socket wrench to unloosen it when it gets to this part that has the nut six-sided piece right here. You can kind of see two of them turning away from it. It wraps around the other side there. And here's the flange there. And then the ceramic piece started off symmetrical at first. Approximate distance. And again, it has these little ridges here for the suction cup there. And a little stem. Okay, so once you have it kind of somewhat sketched out, go back in and really heavy it up. Take another pass. It does get complicated. Up into there. Kind of went over the first part, came back a second part, and these threaded pieces here. Okay. So once I have that, I can start to heavy up these edges and start in on this. The nice thing is I know I'm going to shade over this, so this isn't going to hurt it. Trying to find those pieces. And this does have a lot of the shading, so when you pick the drop shadow, you can kind of pick half the distance and just follow that contour right up the side there. And the edge that on the other side, the contour kind of blends in the opposite direction. The metallic parts have their highlight, so you can follow that right along. You can try some of the smudging. Go ahead and give it a try. And again, you can even use a straight edge to help you. There you go, and then you can even add a little bit of a drop shadow that follows that shape.